Hey everybody, Shivi here from EnglishWise. We have Dilara and Yigit with us. The awesome couple, they got 8 each, 79 plus in PT. They're from Turkey. Brilliant scores. I have interviewed some Turkish students before, but you're the first ones who've scored 79 plus. Maybe because you needed it and you had that intelligence and that hard work to make it happen. Congratulations, guys. I'm sure there's a lot of Turkish students out there and a lot of international students in general who are aspiring for this score. Permanent residency quotas have also doubled this financial year, which means students have more chances to get permanent residency. So a lot of students are active. They want to know what you guys did to get 8 each. Some of the unique experiences, if you can share, which can help them to get 8 each as well, please. You can go first.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Yeah.
The first thing, I guess, to find a great place who will teach you a lecture, and best one who will teach you, who will guide you during your, how can I say, this route, because we have studied only for 1 month and have been coming continuously with talking with our lectures, Lindsay and so on. And also the software, because I feel like PT is like not like very, it's a psychology game.
Yes.
You need to get used to the headphones and the software, and always just do your mock tests.
Yeah.
And what else?
Well, I think it's also about like persistence, like dedication to coming to the workplace, coming to here and getting those tests done. And I think your tips and tricks are also helpful, not only softwares and headphones, but also the booklet that you provide, all the tips and tricks. All those stuff are really helpful. We started around 65 bands when we first started, but now it's like 88, 90. So I think it comes up with the persistence, dedication, and applying those tricks in the exam.
Fantastic. Guys, these guys went from 65 to scores like this. Speaking, both of them are 90. Reading, you got 90, you got 82. Listening, 86, 88. Writing, 84, 86. You guys are definitely a couple. I can see that from here. 4 things. I hear 4 success tips here. The first one they said is persistence, consistency, and determination. They were coming regularly here. That says a lot about their scores. The second tip, I remember what you just said, was who you choose, the teachers, the trainers. Our team here is fantastic. We have some of the best trainers here who just don't have great knowledge, but a commitment to help students, and that matters a lot. The third one is software, as they mentioned. Our software has proved to be one of the best softwares in the world right now, with the AI, which is quite accurate, and once you do all these mock tests, you have a good idea what score you're going to get into the exam. And the fourth one was the booklet you spoke about. You just said the techniques there, and obviously you need to implement them, but that can be super helpful as well. So there's not too many things. You just need to get these 3-4 things right, and you can get the score. And this is the highest, 20 points for permanent residency. Brilliant job, guys. You are an inspiration for a lot of students out there, as I said, and especially for your community. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.